Hey guys, I've been having so much fun with this little 16889 Pro RC monster truck that I decided to buy another one to give away to you guys. Whether you have a bunch of trucks or you're just thinking about getting your first truck, this is an awesome truck for anybody to have. Let me show you what you're going to get with it. So of course you're going to get this awesome little truck itself. It comes with a LiPo battery inside. We'll take a closer look at this in a second. This is fully RTR, so you're going to get a transmitter. You're going to get a charger, a light kit, a wheelie bar, some instructions in here, some stickers so you can modify the body how you want, a nice complete instruction manual, and some instructions for how to use the charger. Now taking a closer look at this little guy, this is the truck that you'll get. It's a 1/16 scale monster truck. Like I said, it comes with a LiPo battery, comes with a brushless motor and brushless ESC receiver combo. This is the Pro model, so it has an all-steel drivetrain, steel spur gear, steel pinion, steel center drive shaft. All the differentials are steel, as well as the outdrives and the drive shafts. It's got aluminum shocks on it. This is an awesome little car. Let me put yours back in the box. I'm going to take mine out and show you what it can do. As you can see, guys, this is an awesome RC truck, and it's a really good addition to anybody's collection. If you've got a bunch of RC cars already, this thing is great because you can just throw it in your vehicle, bash it around pretty much anywhere, throw it back in, and no need to worry about having a big car that you have to lug around or clean when you get home. If you don't have an RC car, this is a fantastic first car because it's small, unintimidating, extremely durable, and a lot of fun, which is why I'm giving this thing away in the first place. I think it's great for everybody. Entering to win this couldn't be easier. All you need to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then put a comment in the comments section. I've also made posts about this giveaway on Facebook. If you find one of those posts, put a comment in that post, and that'll give you an extra chance to win. This giveaway is going to be available to anybody around the world. If it's in the United States, I'll pay for shipping, but if it's in another country, you'll need to pay for that shipping. All right, guys, that's all there is to it. We'll have a winner announced in just a few days, so make sure you're subscribed, hit the like button, put that comment in the comments section. You really don't want to miss a chance to get this car. As always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.